Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft error that is being displayed in the screen. This error usually happens when your Microsoft account or Microsoft license is not properly verified, or the game cannot confirm the ownership. First, just go ahead and restart your computer and try launching the Minecraft again to clear temporary system issues. And also, just go ahead and sign out of your Microsoft Store. Just go to the top left corner of your Minecraft launcher and log out of your ID and sign back in to refresh the connection. After that, just go ahead and open Microsoft Store, and here make sure you are logged in into the same account used for Minecraft. And now also check if the Minecraft is properly installed from Official Store or Launcher. Since incorrect installation can trigger this error, then just go ahead and go to any browser to your liking and just go ahead and search for Minecraft and make sure it is updated to the latest version to fix any outdated files. If the issue is still continues, just go ahead and completely reinstall Minecraft to refresh the game and license files. So the simple rule is when Minecraft cannot verify your license or account, this error appears, and relogging or reinstalling usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft error by checking Microsoft account, verifying store login, updating launcher, and reinstalling the game if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.